Welcome to Tutorials by David. Today we'll be having a quick how to install Qustodio on your child's phone. Hey guys, so here's how to install the Qustodio on your child's phone. So this is from the Qustodio itself, how to install the kids app in an Android device. So first, before installing, you want to make sure to remove or turn off your Google Family link. So choose one of the following options like I have an account. So you want to install the kids app Qustodio. But if you're new here, then you want to also go and install the kids app. Then after that, tap install, open, then get started. After you get started, name enter your name and a valid address that you and only you have access to. After that, tap on and protect this device. Go in and name the device and then enter your child's details. With that, you want to choose an avatar and then it's now enabled. So this one right here is that when prompted to activate accessibility, you want to choose activate now. And then here are the details for it. And that's literally all. So if you want to constantly have a notifications that is turned on, you just want to allow it and turn it on your Android device. And that is basically it.